us to consider number base as a topic, and the first subtopic under it is expansion of number base. And I want to encourage you, if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure that you do that right now. Expand the following. Expand the following. We have number 1, 111 base 2. Number 2, we have 3125 base 6. Number 3, we have 4281 base 9. The first thing that I want you to know is that the base must be greater than all the digits that you have here. So let's expand this. Solution: 111 base 2 will be 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. This will be raised by 0, 1, 2. Then you put it in brackets. And through this, we've expanded it. You are going to multiply each digit by the base, and you are going to start raising them to powers from 0 right from your right hand side rather. Number 2, we have 3125 base 6. This will give us 3 times 6 plus 1 times 6 plus 2 times 6 plus 5 times 6. And it is the base that we are going to raise power. So you are going to have the 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then you are going to put it in brackets. Number 3, we have 4281 base 9. This will give us 4 times 9 plus 2 times 9 plus 8 times 9 plus 1 times 9. Then we are going to raise the base to powers. We are going to start from 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then we are going to put it in brackets. Then we move from there to conversion of number base. Conversion of number base from base 10 number to other bases. Conversion of number base from base 10 to other bases. Example: convert the following. Convert the following. Number 1, we have 30 to base 5. Number 2, we have 27 to base 2. Number 3, we have 58 to base 3. Then number 4, we have 127 to base 7. Let's quickly solve this. Number 1, we have 30 to base 5. That means 30 is in base 10. So we are going to divide by 5. So we are going to have 30. 5 in 30 will give us 6. Remainder 0. 5 in 6 will give us 1. Remainder 1. And 5 in 1 will give us 0. Remainder 1. What we have here. Then you can put this arrow here. Therefore, 30 base 10 is equals to 110 base 5. That's the answer. Let's solve question 2. We have 27 to base 2. So we are going to have 27 here, and we are going to divide by 2. 2 in 27 will give us 13, remainder 1. 2 in 13 will give us 6, remainder 1. 2 in 6 will give us 3, remainder 0. 2 in 3 will give us 1, remainder 1. And 2 in 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. So we are going to have 27 base 10 to be equals to 11 is 0, 11 base 2. Then let's solve the third one. We have 58 to base 3. So that means we are going to divide 58 by 3. 3 here will give us 1. 3 in 28 will give us 9, remainder 1. 3 in 19 we are going to have 6, remainder 1. 3 in 6 will give us 2, remainder 0. And 3 in 2 will give us 0, remainder 2. So we are going to have 58 base 10 to be equal to 20111 base 3. Then the last but not the least for today, we have 127 base 10 to base 7. So we are going to have 127 divided by 7. 7 in 12 will give us 1, it remains 5. 7 in 57, that is 8. Because 7 times 8 is 56. So we have 8, remainder 1. And 7 in 18 will give us 2, remainder 4. and 7 in 2 will give us 0, remainder 2. So we are going to have 127 base 10 to be equals to 241 base 7. Don't forget what I said earlier, that the base must be greater than all the digits that we have here. And anytime you are asked to convert from base 10 to other bases, all what you need to do is to divide by the exact number given. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. Thank you.